Guys, we are going on an island tour. So, we're just following these people behind us and then in front of us for the island hopping because it's gonna be happening in the other side of Boracay Island. It's called Bulabog Beach. That's where all the water activities are starting. And guys, dito na kami sa mga mag-island hopping dito sa Bulabog Beach. Bulabugon yun na ito ng beach dire. Okay, dito na ang island hopping. Oh, magkano kaya? So, bayad muna ganun. Wait, tourist guys. Magandang tourist guys. Yan. Puro mga island hopping. Siya sa likod do. Ma'am. Ma'am. Kasal turista guys. Saan na ba yun si Sharon? Saan na ba yun? Ano ba yun si Sharon? Ayan na. Dito sa hotel.
Stop snorkeling, that is part of it, our itinerary. Snorkeling here, ma'am, that is a marine protected sanctuary here. That is protected. So that's why if you want to go down, ma'am, and swim, you're gonna pay for extra. If you have a goggles or if you have your own goggles. Rock formation po. And then, ma'am, yung mga gandang resort na mula dito sa likod, ang pangalan po nang nasa taas, ma'am, yan po ay Saboy. Saboy ang Belmont Hotel, ma'am.
Wow,
yan yung golf area niya sa kabila.
Saboy Hotel, Saboy Belmont.
Condo unit, special, siyempre yan. Murang hotel po yan, mura.
Mura, mga pila ka kamura. Mapapamura ka sa...
Okay, ma'am, I think our first destination will be the Iligan Beach, ma'am. I'm so sorry, ma'am, because we are not in good condition, weather good condition, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, we travel only Highland hopping for safety first, ma'am, sir. So, your safety, ma'am, is our first priority here, okay? So, if you don't know how to swim, ma'am, good luck. Ano lang yan. Meron tayong swimming, ma'am, sa gitna mamaya-mama na kailangan natin mag-life jacket. Meron din tayo kami ditong cliff diving sa bangka.
Muni ang famous crystal kayak dari guys, pictorial, okay? Ayan, kinahanglan pa-pictorial ka, dapat tsada yung mga outfit, tsada yung two-piece and everything. Ayan, lagan sila guys. Yung kasamahan ko.
Kuya, ma'am, doon kay kuya, ma'am, walang damit, ma'am.
Iligan Beach. Kuya, yung kasamahan ko magkayak.
Pilate ka. Kayak, ma'am,
Ter,
dito kayo.
you're number 1 in the kayak. Iligan Beach, first stop. Here guys. Ayan, magkayak pictorial si Madam. Ayan guys. Yan yung boat namin.
Bilog, Je.
Lagi?
Ikaw magko-coordinate lahat eh. Abo ba kuya?
Lagi? Ter.
Ma'am, 15 minutes lang tayo, mama, para 15 minutes lang tayo doon. Oo, para abol natin ng isang oras natin.
Okay.
There. other end of the island.
Anong meron dyan? Happy Fiesta!
Ang reels. Lusot-lusot naman din eh. Kami sa bar, guys. Hi, Ted. Yan na si Kuya. Yan, nag-shake na si Kuya, oh. Our margarita. Thank you. Yan, our margarita. Amazing, guys, oh, made of plastic, oh, even this one. Welcome to Bora! Boracay! Where are you? Boracay baby, oh guys, oh. Init naman ko, lami ang dagat. Yep. Tinaw, sali ka na. Sana ba ka nang... Oh, Ter. Sino nga ni? Kalma. Baby kalma, mani guys, be. Go.
At least tulog.
So, ito na sa educational tour. Control tower. Hello, good morning, Jade.
Sir Elvis.
Ito bang tour, may?
Ang kuhan, kung sakay mo, bus ka ron, kaya i-ferry ko dito.
Ah, so lahit may dito na sila magkakan.
That's why they are
Ang ganda din, no? Control tower.
terminal building nga. Unify ka na, nagyan, rival. Hindi ako na sa building. So, dito ang
So, ito yung pangalan naman, di ba?
Yan nga.